The following match is a boiler room match, and it is set for one fall. Introducing first, from HDTV, weighing in at 170 pounds, Aaron Hawk. And his opponent, from the planet Naboo, weighing in at 170 pounds, Lord Stubien von Nub.
Striking all over the world. There's lightning striking all over the world. There's lightning striking all over the world. There's lightning striking all over the world.
Are you? Well, I guess that's how we're starting off the match here. Oh, Aaron Hawk. Oh my god. Oh my god, he just trucks over Stubien. Oh my god. Well, this is a half decent start for HD TV's Aaron Hawk. Stealing Stubien's mask and everything. Oh my god. Oh my, and Stubien is on the attack now. Oh my god, he's choking him with the mat. Stubien's choking him with his mask. Oh my. Aaron Hawk might be passed out right now. Stubien can just pin him right now, and that's game, set, and match. Second shortest boiler room match ever, possibly. But no, Stubien's just gonna keep on walking. He wants to put pain to Aaron Hawk. Oh, he's up. Oh, nope. Stubien's strike. Oh my god. It's a war now. It's a test of strength for both these men right now. Oh, who's gonna get it? Looks like Stubien, yep. Stubien. Oh my god, right to the back of Aaron Hawk. Oh my god, to the side of the head. Oh, Stubien von Nub. Oh my god, taken. Oh my god. Constant hits to the chest of Aaron Hawk. Oh my god. And he just brushes it right off. Hey. Oh, he blocks it. Oh, now he has one of his own now. Oh. Uh-oh. right to the gut of Stubien. Repetitive shots to the back of Stubien. Oh. Stubien trying anything possible, but it's just not working out. Oh. Hawk with the constant shots to Stubien's right leg. Well, that might come to be a factor later on in the match. I know he's grabbing Aaron Hawk's leg. Oh, no. I don't know what he just did there. He tried to hug his leg.
What are you doing?
Oh my! Nope. Oh, repetitive punches to the gut. Oh my god! Stubien back on the offensive side. Oh my god! Oh my god! Right into that pole goes Aaron Hawk. What's Stubien doing here? Oh my god! What's his plan? Oh my! Sets him down on the couch. Oh, a chair shot right in the stomach. What's he gonna do with that chair right on Hawk's chest? Oh my god. Stubien, fair to say that he's in big control right now. Where is this match going to now? Stubien's grabbing a ladder right there. Oh my god, he hits Aaron Hawk with it.
Look, me no speak much English, but you stupid.
Oh my god, what just happened? Kicks Hawk right down to the ground. Oh my god. Hawk just can't, he just can't take back his control he was in before. Hawk keeps snapping his neck, trying to. He keeps thinking it's gonna get him right into the mat with the shots right to the back and out of the chest. Oh my! Right to the head. He's doing it again. Oh my!